Lifecycle of a photovoltaic system. Understanding the different stages throughout the lifespan of your PV system can help you make the best decision and maximize the benefits of your solar investment. The PV system lifecycle consists of 4 main stages. Planning and design. This stage involves determining the optimal size of the system, selecting the right solar panels and inverters, and obtaining necessary permits. Installation. This stage involves mounting the solar panels on your roof or ground, connecting them via proper wiring, and installing the inverter and other necessary components. It's crucial to hire qualified professionals like solarSME to ensure a safe and efficient installation. Operation and maintenance. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the panels, inspecting electrical connections, and monitoring the performance, helps to ensure that the system operates optimally. Disposal and recycling. Solar panels have a long lifespan, but eventually they may need to be replaced. Proper disposal or recycling is crucial to minimize any negative environmental impact. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.